The price of Bitcoin hit a new record high, and leading altcoins and meme coins such as Shiba Inu may be in for a big pump soon. The video is a must-watch for everyone with a Shiba Inu interest or SHIB tokens. What then has recently transpired with Shiba Inu coins? What effect will this have on the Shiba Inu's worth? Answering these questions and providing all the knowledge you need to boost prices is what today's video is all about. Regarding Shiba Inu just surfaced, I want you to know that I have invested a lot of time and effort on this video so that you won't miss a thing. Additionally, before we continue, this channel is giving away 1 million Shiba tokens every single day. Subscribing to the channel, liking the video, and commenting with the hashtag Shiba Inu are all that is required to enter. Wishing you the best. But first, let's examine the graph. Only then will we go on to the main point. While we await the 17th of December Shiba price action, shall we? Approximately 2,737 units are being sold today as Shiba Inus. With $860 million in trading activity, SHIB's price has climbed 2% in the past 24 hours. With a market cap of more than $16 billion, the token is now the 15th most valuable cryptocurrency. Be advised that some prices may have undergone changes by the time you view this video. Financial advice is not provided by this content. We can begin today's video now. MetaMask ranks Shiba Inu highly even though its rally has stalled. It would appear that the Shiba Inu rally, which had surged 98% from 1,687 to 3,343 units following the US election, is now coming to a halt. For instance, last week, the price of the popular meme currency with a dog motif fell from $3,219 at the start to approximately 2,788 units, a loss of more than 15%. And the token is still very high, at least based on a recent MetaMask rating, even though its price performance has been mediocre. We still see a lot of Shiba Inu swaps. The popular Ethereum wallet reports that within the specified time, it was the 6th most traded cryptocurrency on the network. In addition to Pepe Unchained and Pepe, the other top-ranked tokens were Baby Doge, Hex, Pepe, and Pepe Enchained in that order. Traders are really interested in SHIB because of his ranking. When taking MetaMask's massive client base into account, the measure takes on even greater significance. More than 30 million people use the wallet every month, making it the most popular Ethereum wallet. Intriguingly, SHIB has now made an appearance in the MetaMask list for 3 weeks in a row, thanks to the most recent development. A possible bet with a high return. Some investors may view SHIB as a high return option, which explains the ongoing interest despite recent market slumps. Reason being, meme coin Dogecoin still outperformed SHIB even after its stellar November 2024 surge. In particular, Doge increased 220% following the election, whereas SHIB increased up to 98%, indicating that SHIB may have greater untapped bullish potential. Among these theories, one market analyst has put SHIB at a crossroads, suggesting it is testing the upper limits of a downturn that has lasted for a year. Depending on the strength of the opposition, the analyst predicts that the meme currency might launch a 150% rise or collapse from here. The current trading price for one token is at 2,689 units. Please, if you are still here, hit that like button. It doesn't cost you anything and does wonders for the channel's financial stability. If you want to know what's happening with Shiba Inu and where the currency could go from here, you'll have to see the show. Major support is on the horizon as the Shiba Inu goes from billions to 13 trillion SHIB. Shiba Inu's future trajectory may be determined by the 13 trillion SHIB support level, which is rapidly approaching. Sellers have a significant hurdle at this level, while bulls may find a way to launch a rally if they can break through. The drastic drop in volume indicates that there is less interest from buyers and sellers alike. This drop in engagement is making the asset stabilization efforts by SHIB even more challenging. In the absence of a significant increase in purchasing activity, the likelihood of a short-term recovery decreases, exposing SHIB to additional downward pressure. We may see a relief rally with 3,000 units as potential upside resistance if buyers come back and SHIB can hold the 13 trillion SHIB support. The meat of today's video is about to begin. There have been large influxes of Shiba Inu exchanges despite weak trading momentum and possible support issues. The market has been putting pressure on the SHIB token recently. More than 1.7 trillion SHIB changed hands in the last 48 hours, demonstrating the extraordinary surge of Shiba Inu tokens into exchanges. Market mood and the direction of prices are likely to be affected by this influx. With a loss of 1.9% in the last day, SHIB was trading at 2,680 units when this article was written. Regardless, SHIB is still up 10% month over month, suggesting there is still buying demand. Financial market mood and trends in trade. For holders of SHIB, the existing trading climate paints a confusing picture. Its one-day chart revealed a right-angled ascending expanding wedge formation, which usually indicates a continuation of the bullish trend if the price above the upper trend line. Volume histogram bars that are contracting show less trading activity, which means there isn't much buying power and it will be hard to keep the uptrend going. A reading of 43 for the money flow index indicates greater selling activity in the market and sluggish momentum as it moves downhill. The current market dynamics are complicated by the fact that the shaken money flow is still positive at 0.15, indicating that purchasing pressure is still greater than selling pressure. Inflows of Shiba Inu exchange money surged sharply. According to CryptoQuant's data, Shiba Inu exchange inflows reached a new high on December 16th, the greatest net inflows in over 5 months. As traders transfer large volumes to exchanges, the possible market ramifications of this quick rise become apparent. Additional market declines may be in store if demand is unable to meet the sell-side pressure caused by the inflow of more than 1.78 trillion SHIB tokens in the span of 2 days. Crucial levels of support and resistance for those trading SHIB, based on the in-out of the money around price. Analysis. A strong support level impacted by profitability and trader emotion has been established by 43,080 addresses holding 2,400 to 2,500 units. On the other hand, 37,230 addresses have bought more than 3 trillion SHIB within the 3,000 to 3,000 to 3,000 to 3,100 unit supply zone. If traders try to recoup their losses by selling into this area, it could serve as resistance. Bearish patterns are revealed by market sentiment. There has been a clear negative bias in the SHIB market, as short positions have greatly outnumbered long positions over the past week. The bulk of traders are expecting additional bearish swings, as the ratio is currently sitting at 0.96. Traders seem to be on the side of caution, according to the continuing pattern of short selling, reflecting the general consensus that the price of SHIB will continue to fall. However, you shouldn't limit your current investigation to SHIB alone. My latest video speculates on a potential successor to the Shiba Inu coin. See the on-screen video for further information. All eyes are on you now.